Hi and welcome to London Bridge Bricks. In this speed build video we're going to be assembling this set number 21321, the International Space Station. It comes with a healthy 864 pieces. Now, I built this set during the recent Dok Sampson ISS stream where he and some friends of ours also built LEGO space related stuff. That's a great looking display set featuring 16 solar panel arrays made up using 64 printed 1x4 tiles, and we also get a nice printed tile for the ISS plaque. And best of all, there's not a single sticker in sight. This set also features a space shuttle, satellite and a couple of nano-sized astronauts, and the 120-page instruction manual is full of interesting facts and information around the space station, along with an interview with the fan designer Christophe Rouge and a recap of the last 10 years worth of LEGO Ideas sets. All in, it's a nice addition to your LEGO space collection, and for a smidgen under £65, I think it's good value as well. A link to Dok Sampson's channel can be found in the description below, and if you like this video, please do give us a thumbs up. It really helps us do what we do. And if you're new to London Bridge Bricks, why not hit that subscribe button and become a part of the LBB family. So that's the brief, let's jump in and get building.
Good evening, Herb. Your signals are coming in fine tonight.
Third salvo, on target.
What about vibration? A radio transmitter could coordinate the movement of troops to keep an unbroken contact between our forces on the ground, in the air, and on the sea.
Escape from the noise. Close your eyes, pretend it's a dream, because you wanna go away, 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 away. Don't believe but the sky. Use a will, make a fire, and burn with love here again in our sweet home. Mother Earth, sweet home, Mother Earth, sweet home, Mother Earth, sweet home, Mother Earth, sweet home, Mother Earth. You wanna run?
Good evening, Herb. Your signals are coming in fine tonight.
Third salvo, on target.
What about vibration? A radio transmitter could coordinate the movement of troops to keep an unbroken contact between our forces on the ground, in the air, and on the sea.